The key allows a client to be recorded with the status of a lead, which can then be converted into a client if necessary. To do this, create a new lead by the New Client button at the left or top of the screen. Record a title, but a first name and surname is all that's required to actually create the record. You can add further information such as date of birth or the initial product, but the most important aspect is to mark Yes where it says Create as Lead about halfway down the screen. Once done, click on Create Client in order to create the record itself. You'll notice there are no mandatory fields other than the email contact point, but you can add as much data as you require and add to it throughout the lifetime of the lead as necessary. In this case, I'll add the email address to ensure I do have a contact point for the client. Head to the Additional Information tab to confirm the salutation and introducer if necessary, and also to be able to access the Consent Manager, which will record the consent status of the lead. Use the radio buttons to answer the various questions as per normal. The Lead Details holds a number of tabs, including this one for mortgage information, and this can record the loan, valuation, etc. as required. There's also a link to mortgage sourcing, although no data will be brought back, and this is for purely indicative and research purposes. The Insurance tab allows for insurance information or requirements to be recorded, including some basic questions about any previous requirements that they may have had. We also see the employment status here. The Lead Management tab will allow us to follow the lead's progress through the lead status options through this drop-down, or alternatively, the status can be updated through the work list as you can see here. If required at the end of the process, the case can be converted to a client using this button. To access a lead, click on the Client option, ensure Leads is selected as the type, and this will display all of the leads on the system, as well as the status on the right hand side, allowing you to open the required record.